Hi, I'm Thomas. I go by the name of Noah Vosen. I make music. Just like discovering the rules of how music is in sequence and all those different, not a little, I guess. I've been making music for about 7 years now. Started out with love for dubstep and glitch hop and neuro type things, and I've always tried to make hybrids of all the types of electronic music, but now I'm really focused on the hip-hop world actually, and so I started making beats, weird type of beats, and so Champion Sound looked like a great gateway to that world. There's a lot of great artists out there that I know personally, but I think when I go to parties and listen to the DJs and look on the internet, there's just, I kind of miss like the surprise in music. Yeah, maybe it's just because I don't go out a lot that I don't see it, but I just miss weird shit.